1923 में मुस्लिम लीग ज्वाइन किया, साइमन कमीशन 1927, एंड 1927 में 1927 में दिल्ली प्रपोजल, 1927 दिल्ली प्रपोजल, 1928 नेहरू रिपोर्ट, 1928 नेहरू रिपोर्ट, 1929 कायद-ए-आज़म 14 पॉइंट्स, कायद-ए-आज़म 14 पॉइंट्स, एंड 1929 जिना 14 पॉइंट्स, और 1929 में जिना 14 पॉइंट्स के बाद आप लोग लिखे खुदाए खिदमतगार मूवमेंट, और खुदाए खिदमतगार मूवमेंट रेड शर्ट से वो रेड शर्ट पहनते थे, रेड शर्ट्स। 1930 अलामा मोहम्मद इकबाल स्पीच एट इलाहाबाद, एंड 1930 फर्स्ट लंदन कॉन्फ्रेंस, 1930 अलामा मोहम्मद इकबाल स्पीच एट इलाहाबाद, एंड 1930 फर्स्ट लंदन कॉन्फ्रेंस, फर्स्ट लंदन कॉन्फ्रेंस, 1931 सेकेंड लंदन कॉन्फ्रेंस, एंड 1932 थर्ड लंदन कॉन्फ्रेंस, एंड 1932 में क्या हुआ, 1932 में कम्युनल अवार्ड्स, कम्युनल अवार्ड्स, एंड 1932 में खाकसार मूवमेंट, ये बात माइंड में रखे, खुदाए खिदमतगार 1929, खाकसार मूवमेंट 1932, एंड नाउ आर नेवर पंफलेट, चौधरी रहमत अली, और चौधरी रहमत अली कहाँ पे दफन किए गए हैं, कैम्ब्रिज लंदन में। कायद-ए-आज़म became permanent president of Muslim League in 1934, 1934 में कायद-ए-आज़म became the permanent president of Muslim League। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियन एक्ट 1935, 1935 एक्ट भी इसको कहते हैं, 1935 एक्ट भी कहते हैं, एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियन एक्ट भी कहते हैं। उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियन एक्ट 1935 में कांग्रेस मिनिस्ट्रीज 1937, कांग्रेस मिनिस्ट्रीज 1937, कांग्रेस मिनिस्ट्रीज के बाद लेके पीरपुर रिपोर्ट दैट इज 1938 में हुआ था, कांग्रेस मिनिस्ट्रीज 1937, उसके बाद पीरपुर रिपोर्ट जो कि 1938 में आया, पीरपुर रिपोर्ट। फातिमा जिन्ना जॉइंड मुस्लिम लीग इन 1938, उसके बाद लेके वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 स्टार्ट हुआ 1939 में, 1939 में, 1939 वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 स्टार्टेड। 1939 में कांग्रेस मिनिस्ट्रीज ने रिजाइन भी किया 1939 में, और डे ऑफ डिलीवरेंस भी मनाया गया था 1939 को। 1940 को लाहौर रेजोल्यूशन वाज पास्ड, लाहौर रेजोल्यूशन वाज पास्ड इन 1940, एंड क्रिप्स मिशन 1942, क्रिप्स मिशन 1942, क्रिप्स मिशन के बाद क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट भी 1942। शाबाश, बिल्कुल अगस्त ऑफर 1940 लिख ले, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली अगस्त ऑफर। उसके बाद लेके शाबाश, उसके बाद आप लोग लिखे शिमला कॉन्फ्रेंस 1945, शिमला कॉन्फ्रेंस 1945, शिमला कॉन्फ्रेंस 1945, एंड सेंट्रल इलेक्शन भी 1945 में हुए, और प्रोविंशियल इलेक्शन 1946 में हुई, एंड 1946 में इलेक्शंस भी हुई फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली के। सेंट्रल इलेक्शन 1945, प्रोविंशियल इलेक्शन 1946, एंड इलेक्शन ऑफ फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली 1946, एंड 1946 को दिल्ली कन्वेंशन भी हुआ, एंड 1946 को कैबिनेट मिशन भी आया, कैबिनेट मिशन, एंड 1947 3 जून प्लान, शाबाश, एंड 1947 पाकिस्तान इंडिपेंडेंस, एंड 1947 माउंटबेटन केम इनटू इंडिया। शाबाश, बिल्कुल अहमद बरगज़ई 1945 लॉर्ड वेवल प्लान, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली। 1947 पाकिस्तान इंडिपेंडेंस, 1947 मार्च में माउंटबेटन केम इनटू इंडिया, एंड 1947 3 जून प्लान या पार्टीशन प्लान भी उसको कहते हैं। शाबाश, आगे लेके इलेक्शन ऑफ फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली मैंने 1946 का आपको कहा, ठीक है। इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ पाकिस्तान एक्ट 1947, बिल्कुल अहमद बरगज़ई। शाबाश, आगे लेके मोहम्मद अली बोगरा फार्मूला वाज पुट इन 7 अक्टूबर 1953, 7 अक्टूबर 1953 मोहम्मद अली बोगरा फार्मूला, पाकिस्तान जॉइंड द मैनिला पैक्ट, जिसको सीटो भी कहते हैं, 1954। एंड अगेन 1954 को चौधरी गुलाम मोहम्मद ने रिजाइन भी किया, चौधरी गुलाम मोहम्मद ने रिजाइन भी किया। एंड 1 यूनिट बिल वाज ब्रॉट इनटू इफेक्ट ऑन 30 सितंबर 1955। उसके बाद लेके इंडिया स्टॉप द पैसेज ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द रिवर्स रावी एंड सतलज इन कौन से साल? 1 अप्रैल 1948। पहला कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 23 मार्च 1956 मोहम्मद अली ने दिया। पहला कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 23 मार्च 1956 मोहम्मद अली ने। दूसरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सेकंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 8 जून 1962 अयूब खान ने। एंड थर्ड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो ने 14 अगस्त 1973 को दिया। जालियांवाला बाग में मैसेकर 13 अप्रैल 1919। जालियांवाला बाग में मैसेकर 13 अप्रैल 1919। 13 अप्रैल 1919। मोपला राइजिंग या मालाबार, मोपला राइजिंग एंड मालाबार, मोपला राइजिंग एंड मालाबार टुक प्लेस इन 1921 1921। मोपला राइजिंग एंड मालाबार 1921। एंड अगेन चोरा चोरी इंसिडेंट टुक प्लेस इन 1922। चोरा चोरी 1922। उसके बाद लेके यूनाइटेड नेशन, हाँ नन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट 1922, बिल्कुल नन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट 1922 लेके यूनाइटेड नेशन वाज फाउंडेड इन 24 अक्टूबर 1945, 24 अक्टूबर 1945। Sindh was separated from Bombay in 1936. Sindh was separated from Bombay in 1936. शाबाश। उसके बाद लेके खिलाफत मूवमेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस वाज हेल्ड एट कराची in 1921। खिलाफत मूवमेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस in 1921। वारिस शाह wrote हीर रांझा। वारिस शाह wrote हीर रांझा। Mohenjo-daro is the province of Sindh। Mohenjo-daro is the province of Sindh। The fort of Lahore, Shahi Killa, was built by Jahangir। The fort of Lahore, Shahi Killa, was built by Jahangir. The secretariat of OIC is at Saudi Arabia, Jeddah, Tehran। The secretariat of OIC, Saudi Arabia, is at Jeddah, Tehran। Wafa is the news agency of Palestine। मूसा क्या कह रहे हो आप? Wafa is the news agency of Palestine, and Reuters is the news agency of UK, and Lufthansa is the airline of Australia। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। उसके बाद लेके ट्रांसपेरेंसी इंटरनेशनल बेस्ड इज इन बर्लिन। बर्लिन में है ट्रांसपेरेंसी इंटरनेशनल बेस्ड इज इन बर्लिन। रिवीजन क्लास है ना, 2x स्पीड नहीं 3x पे भी जाएगा। शाबाश। पाकिस्तान की जो टोटल बॉर्डर है विद इंडिया 2912 किलोमीटर, 2912 किलोमीटर। एंड लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल 740 किलोमीटर। इंडिया के साथ टोटल बॉर्डर इंक्लूडिंग एलओसी, इंक्लूडिंग डिस्प्यूटेड बॉर्डर टोटल 2912 है, जिसमें लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल 740 किलोमीटर है। चाइना के साथ पाकिस्तान की बॉर्डर 585 किलोमीटर है, शॉर्टेस्ट बॉर्डर विद चाइना 585 किलोमीटर। एंड पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान के साथ है 2640 किलोमीटर। अरेबियन सी के साथ जो हमारी कोस्ट लाइन है वो 1046 किलोमीटर है। कोस्ट लाइन 1046 किलोमीटर। ईरान के साथ टोटल जो लेंथ है बॉर्डर की 909 किलोमीटर। कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक डाइड ड्यूरिंग द गेम ऑफ पोलो। एंड अकबर को जिस जेल में रखा गया था उसका नाम था रंगून। और लार्जेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन बलूचिस्तान के प्रोविंस में है, लार्जेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन बलूचिस्तान के प्रोविंस में है, लार्जेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन। द मिथ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस इज रिटन बाय जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो। द मिथ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस इज रिटन बाय जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो। एंड एक बुक है जिसका नाम है मुस्लिम यस्टरडे एंड टुडे। एक बुक है जिसका नाम है मुस्लिम यस्टरडे एंड टुडे। मुस्लिम यस्टरडे एंड टुडे वाज रिटन बाय ए बी राजपूत। किसने? ए बी राजपूत। शिमला डिप्यूटेशन 1906 was headed by Sir Agha Khan. Shimla deputation was headed by Sir Agha Khan. The first meeting of Muslim League took place in the year 1908. कराची में हुआ था 1908 में फर्स्ट मीटिंग ऑफ मुस्लिम लीग। उसके बाद लिखे पाकिस्तानी फ्लैग वाज डिजाइन्ड बाय टू ब्रदर्स, जिसमें एक का नाम है अल्ताफ हुसैन। पाकिस्तानी फ्लैग इज डिजाइन्ड बाय टू ब्रदर, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली, और इसमें एक है अल्ताफ हुसैन। आगे लेके MAO College Aligarh was started in 1877. MAO College Aligarh was started in 1877. The national animal of Pakistan is markhor. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. And the national tree of Pakistan is deodar, national tree. And the national mango of Pakistan is, the national fruit of Pakistan is mango. The national fruit of Pakistan is mango. और स्टार एंड मून पाकिस्तान के फ्लैग में 1949 को यहां पे ऐड किए गए थे। जो व्हाइट एंड ग्रीन स्ट्रिप है वो 1947 में, स्टार एंड मून 1949 में ऐड किए गए। गवादर became the part of Pakistan on September 8, 1958. ओमान से लिया गया था 8 सितंबर 1958। और कितने में लिया था? अहमद बरगज़ई। कश्मीर was sold to गुलाब सिंह in 1846. शाबाश। कश्मीर was sold to गुलाब सिंह in 1846. Oldest mountains in Pakistan is Hindu Kush. शाबाश, गुड। Oldest mountain in Pakistan is Hindu Kush. Life of Muhammad, peace be upon him, was written by the book Life of Muhammad was written by William Muir. The author of the book Now or Never, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. And the author of the book Now or Never, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. And the author of the book Case for Pakistan. Case for Pakistan by Muhammad Rafiq Afzal. Case for Pakistan, Muhammad Rafiq Afzal. The author of the book Idea of Pakistan. Idea of Pakistan by Stephen P. Cohen. Stephen P. Cohen. Idea of Pakistan by Stephen P. Cohen. Wavell Plan was made in 1945. Wavell Plan 1945. Rawalpindi conspiracy was unearthed in March 1951. 1951 Rawalpindi conspiracy case. Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. ब्राह्मो समाज के फाउंडर कौन थे? राजा राम मोहन राय. Who was the founder of Pratna Samaj? Pratna Samaj, Dr. Etama Ray Pandring. And who was the founder of Dev Samaj? Sitamand Engnotri. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Dayanand Sarwasti. Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Who was the founder of Pratna Samaj? Dr. Atama Rai Pandring. Who was the founder of Dev Samaj? Sitamand Engnotri. And who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Dayanand Saraswati. Who founded Cow Protection Society? Who founded Cow Protection Society? Cow Protection Society was founded by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Majlis-e-Ahrar was formed in 1929. Majlis-e-Ahrar was formed in 1929. Darul Uloom Deoband was founded by Maulana Muhammad Qasim. Darul Uloom Deoband was founded by Maulana Muhammad Qasim in 31 May 1866. 31 May 1866. Shabas. Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam was started in 1884 in Lucknow. Bilkul. Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam was started in 1884. Nadwatul Ulama came into being in 1894. 1894. Nadwatul Ulama came into being in 1894. Nadwatul Ulama came into being in 1894. Masjid Khadim-e-Kaaba was established in 1913. Masjid Khadim-e-Kaaba was established in 1913. Masjid Khadim-e-Kaaba was established in 1913. 1913. Masjid-e-Ahrar 1929 लिख लिया. शाबाश. All India Khilafat Committee was formed in 5th of July 1919. 5th of July 1919. Rowlatt Act came into operation in Feb 1919. Rowlatt Act, Feb 1919. National animal of Pakistan is markhor. For how much rupees Ranjit Singh sold Kashmir? 75 लाख. कश्मीर 75 लाख. ठीक है. और वो जो ओमान से हमने गवादर लिया था वो पाउंड्स में था. ठीक है. यहाँ पे है अहमद, वो पाउंड्स में है. ठीक है. Who was convicted in Rawalpindi conspiracy case? Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Faiz Ahmad Faiz. The most ancient civilization is Mehergarh. The most ancient civilization is Mehergarh. The Aryan arrived in South Asia in 1500 BC. The Aryans arrived in South Asia in 1500 BC. Islamabad was declared its capital in 1967. Islamabad was declared its capital in 1967. Shah Wali Ullah died in 1762. कब पैदा हुई थे? 1703 में, 1703, and died in 1762. 1762. शाबाश. आगे लेके Hamdard was edited by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Hamdard was edited by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Hamdard was edited by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. The Millet and Menace of Indianism is written by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Millet and Menace of Indianism. Millet and Menace of Indianism was written by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. The Lucknow Pact was conceived by Lord Chelmsford. The Lucknow Pact was conceived by Lord Chelmsford. The Lucknow Pact was conceived by Lord Chelmsford. Diarchy was first introduced in the Act of 1919. Diarchy was first introduced in the Act of 1919. All India Muslim League observed the Direct Action Day on 16th of August 1946. All India Muslim League observed the Direct Action Day on 16th of August 1946. Pakistan ideology is completely based on ideas of Islam, religious ideology. Which mountain range is located between China and Pakistan? Karakoram range, Karakoram mountains are situated between Pakistan and China. The renowned author of Spirit of Islam, the renowned author of Spirit of Islam, Sayyid Amir Ali. The renowned author of Spirit of Islam, Sayyid Amir Ali. Sayyid Amir Ali. Hudud Ordinance was promulgated on 10th of Feb 1979. Hudud Ordinance was promulgated in 10th of Feb 1979. 10th of Feb 1979. Wafaqi Sharia Court was established on 26th of May 1980. 26 मई 1980 को वफाकी शरिया कोर्ट एस्टेब्लिश हुआ. Zakat and Usher Ordinance was issued on 20 June 1980. Zakat and Usher Ordinance 20 June 1980. The Viceroy of India in 1919 was Lord Chelmsford. The Viceroy of India in 1919 was Lord Chelmsford. Sikandar Hayat Khan was leader of Unionist Party. Sikandar Hayat Khan was the leader of Unionist Party. Sikandar Hayat Khan was the leader of Unionist Party. आगे लेके Who is the author of Hamdard? Exactly, Union Party for Agriculturist. बिल्कुल. Who was the author of हमदर्द? हमदर्द के author है मोहम्मद अली जोहर. मोहम्मद अली जोहर. And who was the editor of Al Hilal? Maulana Azad. हमदर्द मोहम्मद अली जोहर. Al Hilal Maulana Azad. Non-cooperation movement was started during the days of Khilafat movement. Non-cooperation movement started during the days of Khilafat movement. Who announced the end of Khilafat movement? Who announced the end of Khilafat movement? Gandhi announced the end of Khilafat movement. Name the newspaper of Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Maulana Zafar Ali Khan के न्यूज़पेपर का क्या नाम है? जमींदार. न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ मौलाना जफर अली खान जमींदार. जमींदार न्यूज़पेपर. DRQ was introduced in NWFP. कब हुआ अहमद परज़ई? When DRQ was introduced in NWFP 1932. DRQ was introduced in NWFP in 1932. How long DRQ remained in force in India? 1921 to 1937. How long DRQ remained in force in India? 1921 to 1937. When Quaid-e-Azam said, "This is parting of ways." 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 All parties conference in Calcutta के दौरान. All parties conference in Calcutta. When Quaid-e-Azam presented his 14 points on Muslim League Delhi session 1929 में. Muslim League Delhi session 1929. Muslim League Delhi session 1929. When Labour Party came in power in England. Labour Party came in power in England in May 1929. May 1929. Labour Party came in power in England in May 1929. When Congress ministries came to an end. 14 नवंबर 1939. When Congress ministries came to an end, 14th of November 1939. When Pakistan resolution passed, 23rd of March 1940, and when Cripps mission came into India, 23 March 1942. 23 March 1942. The strategy of divide and rule was adopted by Lord Minto. The strategy of divide and rule was adopted by Lord Minto. The Vernacular Press Act was passed by Lord Lytton. The Vernacular Press Act was passed by Lord Lytton. Shabas. The first session of session of Indian National Congress was held. Shabas. Lord Minto ने दिया honey. Lord Minto. The first session of Indian National Congress was held under the presidency of Banerjee. The first session of Indian National Congress was held under the presidency of Banerjee. The Simon Commission was concerned with constitutional reforms. The Simon Commission was concerned with constitutional reforms. The Simon Commission was concerned with constitutional reforms. The Prime Minister of Britain at the time of India's independence was Clement Attlee. The Prime Minister of Britain at the time of India's independence was Clement Attlee. The Lucknow Pact was made between Congress and Muslim League. The Lucknow Pact was made between Congress and Muslim League. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in London in 1931. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in 1931 in London. Mupla Rebellion in 1921 took place in Kerala. केरला शहर इंडिया में. A.O. ह्यूम ने 1885 में कांग्रेस फाउंड किया था और उसका ताल्लुक सिविल सर्विसेज से था. Burma was separated from India in 1937. Burma was separated from India in 1937. In 1937, Lord Mountbatten replaced Lord Wavell as Viceroy of India in 1947. Lord Mountbatten replaced Lord Wavell as Viceroy of India in 1947. Lord Mountbatten replaced Lord Wavell as the Viceroy of India in 1947. Who presided over the Cabinet Mission? Who presided over the Cabinet Mission? Sir P. Lawrence. Sir P. Lawrence presided over the Cabinet Mission. All the round table conferences were held in London. All the round table conferences were held in London. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Quit India movement? Viceroy of India at the time of Quit India movement, Lord Linlithgow. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of Second Round Table Conference? Ramsay MacDonald. सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान ब्रिटेन के पीएम रामसे मैकडोनल्ड. Indian civil services was introduced during the rule of Lord Dalhousie. Indian civil services was introduced during the rule of Lord Dalhousie. The provision of separate electorate for Hindus and Muslims was made in Minto Morley reforms. Khilafat movement resulted in decrease of differences between Hindus and Muslims. Khilafat movement resulted in decrease in differences between Hindus and Muslims. Raja Dahar was defeated by Muhammad bin Qasim. Raja Dahar was defeated by Muhammad bin Qasim. Exactly. गांधी and जिन्ना दोनों इसमें नहीं थे बिल्कुल. Muhammad bin Qasim was the nephew of Hajjaj bin Yusuf. Muhammad bin Qasim was the nephew of Hajjaj bin Yusuf. Raja Dahar was the ruler of Sindh. Raja Dahar was the ruler of Sindh. And which province is called Babul Islam? Which province is called Babul Islam? Which province is called Babul Islam? Sindh province is called Babul Islam. Makli Hill is a graveyard. Makli Hill. Makli Hill. Makli Hill is a graveyard situated in the province of Sindh. Makli Hill is the graveyard situated in the province of Sindh. Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh. Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh. जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं ना सारों ने एमपीटी का टेस्ट अभी जो मॉक होगा 4 बजे क्लियर सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है. दूसरी बात 60+ स्कोर लेना है. इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. की मैं शेयर करूंगा 8 बजे तक. वो की भी आप लोगों ने कंपेयर करना है. फिर 7-8 बजे तक फिर स्कोर ग्रुप में शेयर करना है कि सर मेरा इतना स्कोर है. ठीक है. Raja Dahar was the ruler of Sindh. Makli Hill. Makli Hill is a graveyard situated in the province of Sindh. Makli Hill is the graveyard situated in the province of Sindh. Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh. Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh. In which language Shah Waliullah translated the Holy Quran? Persian language. In which language Shah Waliullah translated Holy Quran? Persian language. Mahmud set out on the expedition to Somnath on October 1024. Mahmud set out on the expedition to Somnath on October 17, 1024. Price control policy was associated with Alauddin Khilji. Price control policy is associated with the Alauddin Khilji. GT Road, Grand Trunk Road, GT Road was constructed by Sher Shah Suri. Price control policy, Alauddin Khilji. GT Road was constructed by Sher Shah Suri. Who was the founder of Mughal ruler in India? Zahiruddin Babur. Who was the founder of Mughal rule in India? Zahiruddin Babur. Dini Ilahi and Mansabdari system was first introduced by Akbar the Great. Dini Ilahi and Mansabdari system were first introduced by Akbar the Great. Taj Mahal was constructed by Shah Jahan. Taj Mahal was constructed by Shah Jahan. Taj Mahal was constructed by Shah Jahan. Tuske Jahangiri was written by Jahangir. Tuske Jahangiri was written by Jahangir. The third battle of Panipat was fought in 1761. Third battle of Panipat. Third battle of Panipat, 1761. Third battle of Panipat, 1761, 1761. The battle of Plassey was fought between. The battle of Plassey was fought between Lord Clive and Nawab Sirajud-Dowla. The battle of Plassey was fought between Lord Plassey and and Surajud-Dawla, and Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757, 1757 को, between Lord Clive and Nawab Surajud-Dawla. Name the city where War of Independence was started. Meerut. Name the city where War of Independence started. Meerut से शुरू हुआ. Nadir Shah attacked on subcontinent in 1739. Nadir Shah attacked on subcontinent in 1739. Nadir Shah attacked on subcontinent in 1739. Name the city from where War of Independence started. Meerut. When War of Independence started? When War of Independence started? War of Independence started from 10th of May 1857. 10th of May 1857. 10th of May 1857. First Battle of Panipat. पानीपत की पहली लड़ाई 21 अप्रैल 1526. पानीपत की पहली लड़ाई 21 अप्रैल 1526. एंड पानीपत की पहली लड़ाई बिटवीन बाबर अगेंस्ट इब्राहिम लोदी. बाबर अगेंस्ट इब्राहिम लोदी. Sir Said Ahmad Khan was burned in Delhi. Sir Said Ahmad Khan was burned in Delhi. And again, Sir Said Ahmad Khan was burned on 17 October 1817. 17 October 1817. 17 October 1817. Hayat Javed was written by Altaf Hussain Hali. Hayat Javed was Hayat Javed was written by Altaf Hussain Hali, and the second battle of Panipat was fought on 5th of November. Second battle of Panipat, 5th of November. And the third battle तो मैंने बता दिया 1761. Tehzeebul Akhlaq was started in 1870. Tehzeebul Akhlaq was started in 1870. Tehzeebul Akhlaq was started in 1870. सर सैयद अहमद खान ने जो पम्फलेट लिखा था उसका नाम है रसालत असबाब बगावत हिंद. It was about the causes of Indian mutiny. Rasalat Asbab Bagawat Hind. It was about the causes of Indian mutiny. Sir Said Ahmad Khan ने लिखा था. In which city Sir Said Ahmad Khan established a school? मुरादाबाद में. मुरादाबाद स्कूल भी उसको कहते हैं. 1859 में. 1859 में. Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan founded Loyal Muhammadan of India in 1860. Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan founded Loyal Muhammadan of India in 1860. Loyal Muhammadan of India in 1860. Who founded Muhammadan Literary Society? Literary Society Calcutta 1863, Scientific Society 1864. Literary Society Calcutta 1863, Scientific Society Sir Said Ahmad Khan 1864. Who founded the Muhammadan Literary Society in 1863 at Calcutta? Sir Said Ahmad Khan. शाबाश. खुतबात अहमदिया किसने लिखा था? खुतबात अहमदिया नज़ीर अहमद ने लिखा था. खुतबात अहमदिया किसने लिखा था? नज़ीर अहमद ने. इसके खिलाफ एक बुक लिखी है लाइफ ऑफ मोहम्मद, वो किसने लिखी है? विलियम मोयर. Muhammadan Anglo-Oriental School at Aligarh was established by Sir Said Ahmad Khan in 1875. Aligarh School, 1875. And Aligarh College का दर्जा उसको 1877 में दिया गया. 1875 में MO School College का दर्जा 1877 में दिया गया. And who laid the foundation stone of MO College? MO School 1875, मुरादाबाद School 1859, Scientific Society 1864, Literary Society 1863. And who laid the foundation stone of MO College? Lord Lytton. Lord Lytton. Lord Lytton laid the foundation of MO College. Who founded the Muhammadan Educational Conference 1886? Who founded Mohammedan Educational Conference in 1886. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan 1886 Mohammedan Educational Conference. Shabas. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was appointed as a member of Imperial Legislative Council by Lord Lytton. By Lord Lytton. And Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was appointed a member of Imperial Legislative Council by Lord Lytton in 1878. In 1878. Israr-o-Sanadid was written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Israr-o-Sanadid was written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Israr-o-Sanadid was written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, who established British Indian Association at Aligarh. British Indian Association at Aligarh was established by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Indian National Congress was established by A.W. Hume in 1885. Who was the Viceroy of subcontinent of British at the time of Bengal? Who was the Viceroy of Britain at the time of Bengal? Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon. Swadeshi movement was a reaction of Hindus against partition of Bengal. Swadeshi movement was a reaction of Hindus against partition of Bengal. Muslim leaders met the Lord Minto at Shimla on October 1st, 1906 for separate electorate. How many years the first Constituent Assembly lasted? The first Constituent Assembly lasted for 7 years. Bilkul. The first Chief Justice of Pakistan, Abdul Rashid. The first Chief Justice of Pakistan, Abdul Rashid. In 1911, who was the Viceroy of India? Viceroy of India in 1911, Conte, Lord Hardinge. Lord Hardinge. The President of First Constituent Assembly was Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The President of First Constituent Assembly was Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Majlis-e-Khilafat was founded in 1919. Majlis-e-Khilafat was founded in 1919. And when institution of Khilafat was abolished? In 1924. Which assembly passed one unit act? Second Constituent Assembly. Which assembly passed one unit act? Second Constituent Assembly. Shabas. Hijrat movement started in 1920. Hijrat movement started in 1920. आगे लेके. When Ayub Khan decided to abdicate, March 25, 1969. When Ayub Khan decided to abdicate, 25 March 1969. Khuday Khidmatgar was founded in 1929. Majlis-e-Ahrar was founded in 29 December 1929. Khuday Khidmatgar was founded by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khuday Khidmatgar was founded by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Bacha Khan, bilkul. When the Constitution of 1962 was abrogated, 4 March 1969. 4th of March 1969. When Constitution of 1962 was abrogated, 4th of March 1969. The Indian Mohammedan Association was founded by Sayyid Amir Ali in 1877. The National Mohammedan Association was founded by Sayyid Amir Ali. The National Mohammedan Association was founded by Sayyid Amir Ali in 1877. In 1877. When Communal Award was announced in 1932. Hindi-Urdu controversy started in 1867. In 1867. Azad Pakistan Party was founded by Mia Iftikharuddin. Azad Pakistan Party was founded by Mia Iftikharuddin. The Khaksar Party, the paramilitary organization. Khaksar Party, the paramilitary organization, was established in 1931. In 1931. Battle of Boxer was fought in 1764. Battle of Boxer in 1964. Indus Water Treaty was signed at Karachi on September 19, 1960. September 19, 1960. All India Mohammedan Educational Conference was founded in 1886. The Queen Victoria Proclamation was issued in 1858. Queen Victoria Proclamation in 1858. Partition of Indian Plan, 3rd June Plan इसको कहते हैं, 3rd of June 1947. Quaidism presented his two-nation theory in 1940. When Muslim League was founded in Balochistan, June 1939. Muslim League was founded in Balochistan in June 1939. Name the leader from UP. Name the leader from UP who very first supported Pakistan resolution. यूपी से कौन सा लीडर थे जिसने पाकिस्तान रेजोल्यूशन को सपोर्ट किया? चौधरी खलीक जुमान. चौधरी खलीक जुमान. शाबाश. इसके साथ साथ Hindukush range covers north west side of Pakistan. Hindukush range covers north west side of Pakistan. The height of K2 is 8,611. 8,611. The largest river of Pakistan is Indus River. Total rivers पंजाब में 5, बलूचिस्तान में 8, केपी में 7 और सिंध में 4. The hottest place in Pakistan is Jacobabad. The hottest place in Pakistan is Jacobabad, and the coldest place in Pakistan is Ziyarat. The longest tunnel of Pakistan is Khojab tunnel. The longest tunnel is Khojab tunnel. The total length of Durand line is 2,250. The area of highest rainfall Murree में है, and the area of highest snowfall Sakardu. मरी की जो हाइट है 7,500 फीट है फ्रॉम सी लेवल. 7,500 फीट फ्रॉम सी लेवल. द मैक्सिमम हाइट ऑफ तरबेला डैम इज 470 फीट and the length of Tarbela Dam is 9,000 feet. Height is 470 feet and the length is 9,000 feet. The largest desert of Pakistan is Thar Desert. The largest desert of Pakistan is Thar Desert. The height of Quetta from sea level is 5,500. The height of Quetta from sea level is 5,500 feet. शाबाश. इसके बाद लिखे the total length of Warsak tunnel. The total length of Warsak tunnel का total length है 3.5 miles. And Tarbela Dam is the largest dam in Pakistan. Tarbela Dam is the largest dam in Pakistan. Chenab Barrage was completed in 1946. Chenab Barrage 1946. Chenab Barrage was completed in 1946 and Tarbela Dam was completed in 1976. Tarbela Dam was completed in 1976. Mangla Dam was completed in 1967. Chashma Biraj was built in 1971. Chashma Biraj was built in 1971. जितने भी अभी तक MCQs कवर किए हैं, आज आखिरी 2 लेक्चर्स है, वो भी मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा। तो आप लोग का जो MPT है, ख्वाह वो CSS का हो या आप लोग का जो MPT है ख्वाह वो PMS का हो, अभी जो आ रहा है, आप लोग आसानी से इन लेक्चर से करते हैं, आसानी से कवर कर सकते हैं। इनको फॉलो करके MCQs लिख ले, इट्स मोर देन एनफ, टू द पॉइंट है, मोस्ट रिपीटेड है, और यही आएंगे। और जितना मैंने यहाँ पे अभी तक पढ़ाया है उसमें अभी MPT का टेस्ट भी होगा, और साथ साथ आप लोगों ने 2 दिन बाद जो KP का MPT दे रहे उसके लिए भी मेहनत करें, इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है आप लोगों का क्लियर होगा।